All right, guys, I just landed Haiti. What's going on? They say Haiti is not safe, but we'll see. You get to the point in our South, I say, we are in Haiti, man. This is the birthplace of black freedom. The freedom we black people enjoy today started from this ground. This is Haiti, man. This is Haiti. What's going on? They say IT is not safe. It's my second day here in the countryside of IT. I'm still alive, strong and healthy. Stop listening to fake news. The problem with you guys is that you listen to too many fake news. Like my father always say, if you want to be foolish, listen to news, but if you want to be wise, travel. They say Haiti is not safe. This is my third day here in Haiti. This is like a community market. Nobody is telling me to hold my phone tight. What I see here is community and love, man. I'm not gonna lie. Every year at Buakaima, when they say Haiti is the first black country to be free, this is the meeting point of the freedom we all enjoy today as black people. This is where they gather together and discuss about their freedom and sacrifice numbers of pigs to face what is facing them. You know what they did? They went, they fought, and they